She's like in awe.
I think we gotta go around over there. Buddy.
Say hi, baby.
There we go. Well, we have to wait and see, okay? No, because that's not safe. Giving you blank stares.
How cute! Kyson made a friend. Oh, you're fine. Kyson's like, Kyson is like, WTF. You're not my brother. That's usually who they put
Yeah, he's
in
like,
front
who
of.
are you?
Oh, he's talking to him.
Yeah. You pay like, what, $30?
Who's that, baby? Oh, Kyson,
He's like, wait,
hi, baby. He's like, who is this third baby? Not my brother.
Oh, they have another one?
Baby, you gonna talk to him? He's just staring at him. He's like, what? Because he doesn't see him.
Who was that, Kyson?
I know, he looks like daddy.
Who is that?
There's no mama in there.
Yeah, not seeing it. Old daddy.
He's so confused. Hi, buddy.
Kaden.
Where are you?
Kaden,
Where are you? Oh, there's a little half smile. He's usually like Kyson. He's usually easy to make smile. But he's so confused.
I know.
What are you doing up here? What are you doing? What are you doing? What happened? Look, he's smiling. Who's talking to you? Who's talking to you? Yeah, there he is. Oh, look, he's touching him. Who is that?
He's hecka smiling now.
Did you make a friend?
Well, don't worry, I'll get it.
Did you make a friend? Did you make a friend? Oh goodness, Daddy's hurting you?
Come here, buddy.
Are you dogging? Yeah, are you dogging? Baby,
Oh, it's right here.
what are you doing? What are you doing at the zoo? We just got done feeding the giraffes, but we didn't get to take our cameras. What are you doing, Stinker? What are you doing? What is it? You see the camera? You see the camera? Are you gonna walk? Are you gonna walk? Walk, walk, walk. He's like, no, I'm too tired. I'm too tired.
And it worked. There she is. Okay, Peabody, what do you say to Gabby? Very nice. And Gabby, what do you say to Peabody? Now, both of these birds grew up on the farm. They do have some barnyard sounds they like to do. We'll see if there's some of those for you today. We're going to start with Gabby's chicken. Good chicken, Gabby. And both of these parrots can imitate a horse. Stereo even. Also on the farm, you find a lot of cat. Peabody, can you call the cat? There you go. That was pretty good. What do you think? Did it work? It did. It did work.
So we just got back from the zoo, and now we're staying at our hotel.
Good
Baby has passed out. And Daddy's ordering pizza. I love when he roots on the bed. It's so cute. You think that's Booby right there? You think that's Booby? He's so cute. Okay, Booby. We're at a racing place. Blake's racing. Baby's sleeping.
What we saw was unusual, but we didn't think anything of it.
Go ahead.
The game came back on and we forgot all about it.
Go ahead.
And then the next morning I woke at 8 o'clock, turned on the TV.
Go ahead. Laugh.
Watched.
Go ahead.
The country
Laugh.
lost its goddamn mind.
Laugh.
What are you doing?
Go ahead, laugh. Go ahead. Go ahead, laugh. Oh. Do that. What is it? You gonna laugh? You gonna laugh? You gonna laugh?
Where
You
are we
gonna
going?
laugh? Bakersfield.
We're in Bakersfield. It's really hot outside. 94 degrees.
You gonna laugh?
That's why we have a naked baby.
You gonna laugh?
Naked
You gonna
baby.
laugh?
Nathan's first time with the passy. He was very upset, and we're still driving home from Fresno. Oh, I'm sorry. Here, try it. He didn't like it at first, but he was like, ooh. Yeah. What is it? What is it? He's not a passy baby, but we keep them just in case. Like now, stuck in traffic. We still have 2.5 hours to go.
Yeah.
Uh-oh. Don't like it no more? What is it? He does not like his bottle, but... Oh, he doesn't want it anymore. He closed his mouth. Yeah, you're a booby baby, huh? You don't need those passies.
Actually, it's never 100%, honey. Well, whatever. So you're like, you don't need my permission to do anything. I'm not asking for your permission.
Tell me about it. Tell me about it. Yeah.
Oh, well, you have to think about like another person who's gone.
Yep.
Right?
Yep.
You
Where
don't
you
think
going,
that
huh?
terrifies me?
He grabbed your chin.
But it does.
Still find your son?
Are you gonna talk to mommy? Are you gonna talk? Oh. Oh. What? Yeah? Is that so? What else? You're so cute. What are you doing, huh? You see Mama's laptop? What is it? Huh? What is that? Oh my goodness. Yeah. Oh, it's CP. CP, CP, CP. Say hi, camera. Say hi, camera. Oh, goodness. Oh, no. Oh. Careful. Say hi, camera.
To say to me. Yeah. You got something to say. Huh? Got something to say to Grandpa? Yes? Huh? Happy baby. Happy, happy. Happy. Yeah. Happy. Happy. Yes. Yeah. Can you do that?
Are you so excited? Are you so excited? Oh, you want to get out of here? Yeah, you want to get out of the swing? I know, Mommy had you in the swing, huh? I thought you would like it. You don't like it? No? Oh, goodness. Whoa! You want to get out of here? Yeah? What you talking about? Yeah? You want to go see Mama? You want to come see Mommy? Yeah? You done with this swing? Are you done with this swing? Yeah, are you done? Are you done with this swing? Yeah? Are you done? Are you done with this swing? Are you done? Uh-oh, you found the camera. Nico found the camera. You found the camera. What are you doing? Are you sitting up in your boppy? Are you sitting up? Why are you making that face, huh? Why are you making that face? You're sitting up in your boppy. Yeah, you are. Look at you. You're so cute. What are you doing, huh? What are you doing? Are you being a cutie butt? Are you looking at the camera? Hi. Whoa. You crazy butt. What are you doing in there? Mommy turned it into a chair. Yeah. Mommy turned it into a chair. You like that chair? Do you like it? Yeah? Whoa. Trying to lift your own head? Upper body, actually. What are you doing? What is this? Oh. Are you done in this chair? Are you done sitting in that chair? Yeah? You ready to get out? Hi, baby. Look how strong you are. What are you doing, huh? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? Oh, goodness. He's been lifting his head up like crazy. I caught him at the end though. He's all tired now. What? Ching, ching, ching. 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 Ching, 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 ching. Ching, 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 ching. Ching, ching, ching. Ching, ching, ching. Ching, ching, ching. Is that funny? Is that funny? You're so cute. What? What are you supposed to be doing, huh? Are you supposed to be sleeping? Yeah? What are you supposed to be doing? You're supposed to be sleeping. Yes, you are. Yeah. What? What do you have to tell Mama? Huh? What? Oh. Yeah? you gonna go night-night? It's not funny. You're going night-night. You're just talking to Mama. He's supposed to be sleeping. It's 9:30. The little stinker's laying here talking to Mama instead, huh? Yeah. Oh. Yeah? Is that so? What? I don't know if you guys can see him, but he's smiling. Oh, you just so smiley, huh? 'Cause you're not sleeping. Oh, he sees the camera now. What? What? Hmm?